Hello guys, I'm Anik. I'm going to teach you how to present a paper, especially for students of Matric and FSC. So they have to pay attention on the presentation because their marks depends upon the presentation mainly. So firstly, made a margin line like this. Yeah, like this. Now, main heading is of subjective type. You have to be careful. It will be on the two lines. It must be on the two lines. So simple is better than anything else. This is the main heading, and the subheading is of short questions, short answers. So like this. Yeah. Now the third heading must be of question number. So you can just write Q like this. This is question number 2. Yeah. Now underline the headings. Underline the headings. If the part 1, it should be like this. Give heading. Now the second part, and so on. So you can just write like this. At the end of the part, you can just put a line like this, and you can then start a new question, just like the same above. You can actually write with this one, 2, question number 3. So underline it, underline it. And the same procedure as I have described above, 1, 2, and 3. And when the long question you have to give the headings of the long answers like this. Long answers, and it will give part of question number like 5, and then the subheading is part A or B or which one it is, A, and the heading, and so on. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you get it, and I hope for your best exams and everything, and when you apply this. So thank you very much. Thanks.